In this video, I will be disassembling this 2017 BMW 4 Series Xenon headlight. Here's the part number on the light. I will begin by removing the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. I will begin by removing the T20 screws holding on this front bezel. This upper trim piece was held on by two T20 screws. This little clip had a tab that needed to be depressed in order to pull it forward. Next, I will remove the T20 screws holding on the outer turn signal reflector. Next, I'll remove the T20 screws holding on this chrome bezel. You will need to lift these up and out in order to not damage the plastic for the halos. Here we can see that this inner bezel actually is fake and there is no light on the inside of the light. I can see approximately 12 T20 screws that I'm going to remove in order to release this projector bracket. The projector is mostly free at this time. There are 3 wire harness connectors holding it in place. I will disconnect all 3 of these wire harness connectors in order to release the projector. With the 3 wire harnesses disconnected, the projector is now free from the light. In order to remove this AFS bracket, we need to gently slide this adjuster up and out of the top of the headlight. At this time, the AFS adjuster bracket will slide out. And then it will only be held in place by this wire connector. At this time, I'm going to go to the rear of the light and I'm going to start by disconnecting this wire connector. I simply need to slide a flathead screwdriver in and push it into the light. Next, I need to turn to the side of the light and push in these 2 tabs on the edge of the ballast connector. And then once this slides all the way to the right, we can simply push it into the headlight. At this point, I simply need to pull all of the wires out of the housing. After disconnecting all of the wire mounting points, the wire harness is now free from the light. The headlight housing is now empty. In order to remove the projector from the bracket, I'm first going to go to the rear here and remove the 4 5/16 nuts holding on the brackets. With the nuts and bolts removed, holding the projector to the mount, I now need to pry out this top bracket. With that bracket released, I can now wiggle out this projector. Here are the components from the light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.